The 2025 Lamborghini Huracan Evo is a masterpiece of engineering and design, combining breathtaking performance, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched aesthetics. This supercar represents the pinnacle of Lamborghini's innovation, offering an exhilarating driving experience that car enthusiasts dream of. With a naturally aspirated V10 engine that delivers over 630 horsepower, the Huracan Evo accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds, ensuring an adrenaline-filled ride every time you hit the accelerator. The exterior design of the Huracan Evo is nothing short of iconic. It features sharp lines, aggressive aerodynamics, and an unmistakable presence that turns heads wherever it goes. Every curve and detail is crafted to enhance performance and airflow, making it as functional as it is stunning. The lightweight chassis, made of a combination of aluminum and carbon fiber, ensures optimal weight distribution and exceptional handling. Inside the Huracan Evo, the luxury is equally impressive. The cabin is a fusion of high-tech features and premium materials, including Alcantara, carbon fiber accents, and customizable upholstery options. The driver-focused cockpit offers an advanced digital display, seamless connectivity, and intuitive controls, ensuring you remain in command of this beastly machine. The Lamborghini Dinamica Veicolo Integrata system provides unparalleled agility, adapting to your driving style and road conditions for a personalized driving experience. One of the standout features of the Huracan Evo is its advanced aerodynamics. The rear spoiler, diffuser, and active airflow systems work together to provide maximum downforce and stability at high speeds. The all-wheel drive system ensures precise handling, making every corner an opportunity to experience the thrill of precision engineering. With multiple driving modes, including Strada, Sport, and Casa, the car adapts to various driving conditions, whether you're cruising through the city or pushing the limits on the track. The Huracan Evo is not just about speed and power, it also offers cutting-edge technology for a seamless driving experience. The Lamborghini infotainment system features a responsive touchscreen, Apple CarPlay integration, and advanced navigation, keeping you connected while on the move. Safety is also a priority, with features like adaptive cruise control, parking sensors, and advanced stability systems, providing peace of mind while driving this high-performance machine. While the Huracan Evo offers jaw-dropping performance and luxurious comfort, it is also a statement of exclusivity. Owning this supercar signifies a commitment to unmatched craftsmanship and engineering excellence. Whether you're a collector, a performance enthusiast, or someone who appreciates the finer things in life, the 2025 Lamborghini Huracan Evo is a car that delivers on every front. For more reviews, detailed insights, and the latest updates on this extraordinary machine, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Your support allows us to bring you more exciting content on the latest automotive innovations. Don't miss out on our upcoming videos exploring the world of high-performance vehicles.